Railroad accelerated industrialization and modernization on this land. Now, it continues to race ahead incessantly towards the new paradigm of the 21st century. Railroad provides the humankind with green hope and enables creation of grand base. Now it becomes the central pivot of human beings' rich life and cultural industry. Co-Rail, the people's company that breathes along with customers. People's Railroad, ranked #1 in the world, that is loved by the Korean people. An advanced nation of high-speed railroad and green railroad. Now we developed H-type tie with world's best-class railroad technological capability. The tie is called Glory Tie, which means green life of railway yearning. Now we estimate the value of Glory Tie made with world's best-class railroad technological capability to enter into the world market in a full-fledged manner to prove once again that Korea is the genuine railroad mecca. Whereas 20th century was the heyday of cars, the 21st century is the renaissance of railroad due to earth warming and high oil price. Numerous nations recognize railroad as a means for economy development, regional integration, and environment protection. Currently, a strong wind of desire for railroad is sweeping each of the corners of the earth. Large nations such as China and the US, and numerous nations are focusing on railroad expansion today. And many nations focus on Glory Tie, not just because of the patent applied in Korea and overseas. Development for Glory Tie began on February 2009. It was developed successfully in merely 1 year utilizing purely Korean railroad technical know-how. Glory Tie offers very special advantages. There is a ballast resistance supporting zone at Glory Tie Center. Thus, Glory Tie increases railroad tracks resistance, stiffness, and track safety. Moreover, it can prevent railway accident caused by track distortion or rail buckling, which results due to rail temperature change in summer. Likewise, it is significantly safer than the existing railroad tie. Glory Tie is designed to increase the longitudinal and lateral resistance capacities of ballast. Furthermore, it increases the lengthways and sideways stiffness of the rail. As a result, Glory Tie can prevent the transformation or buckling of the track caused by train operation or temperature change. Furthermore, it can enhance the maintenance cycle of the track and greatly reduce maintenance cost. Compared to the existing railroad tie, initial construction cost is reduced by 10 million won per 1 kilometer in a year, decreasing maintenance cost as well. These advantages ensures the safety of the train operation, and the controlled railroad noise and vibration can offer a comfortable travel environment to the passengers who take a train. Ballast on the railroad subsides slowly due to the load of the trains that pass through tens or hundreds of times per day. Existing PC ties needed to be taken care of constantly to fix them to heighten the track and to adjust their direction in order to prevent subsidence and track distortion. Moreover, new rocky mountain needed to be found whenever ballast needed to be replaced, since they subside, break, and get worn out. This in turn caused environment issues. Track settlement is small in case of Glory Tie, since its base area is massive and wide. It is not necessary to place more ballast on the track, since Glory Tie's longitudinal and lateral resistance of ballast is superb. That is, environment-friendly Glory Tie that can reduce amount of ballast significantly contributes to the low-carbon green growth industry that the government seeks to create. Not so long ago, Korail and Korea Railroad Research Institute conducted jointly all types of tests on Glory Tie. The test results demonstrated that its ability to prevent rail buckling. Glory Tie's the longitudinal and lateral resistance capacities of ballast were superb and overall in terms of the functional, dynamic, and structural aspects. And it can prevent track distortion compared to the existing PC tie. Environment friendly, Glory Tie raises the efficiency of maintenance and that is easy to maintain. In the end, these major advantages prevent track distortion and significantly reduce track maintenance costs, noise, and vibration, ensuring that passengers can enjoy a comforting and relaxing trip. The reduced distortion of the track can improve the safety of train operation, and the controlled railroad noise and vibration can offer a comfortable travel environment to the passengers who take a train. Korail works along with Korea's largest railroad tie producer with over 70% of the Korean railroad tie market share. It built mass production system that produces glory tie exclusively. Currently, Korail started to install 50 meters from the Ogunjang station of the Chungbuk line for testing. Now it installed glory ties for PR on the tracks for 12 operation lines in Seoul, Daejeon, Gwangju, Busan, Daegu stations, etc. Glory tie for PR and Ogunjang test line are operated normally for trains and KTX trains. H-typed railroad tie, glory tie stage moves beyond Korea. It is the world. Starting with the railroad revamping projects that traverses Siberia and China, we will move out to the world even more energetically. We will transform the world railroad tie market fast. Number 5 in the world high-speed railroad operating nation, Korea, an advanced railroad nation that produces high-speed railroad along with Japan, France, and Germany. Railroad races towards the world energetically and proudly. Glory tie that Korea developed successfully for the first time in the world will become a representative brand that is made with our technological know-how jointly with the KTX Sancheon. Korail leads the global railroad industry with fierce sense of mission, passion, and best technological prowess. To the future and to the world with rail. Proud Korea. Proud Korail. Proud Glory tie.